24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Wait. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract, and students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Let us start with the concept of wait. Focus on learning by doing as students learn more when they are involved in the task assigned to them. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare objects based on their weight. To enable them to differentiate between heavy and light. To help the children understand that small objects can be heavy. Involve them in the activities like lifting a small stone that can be heavy. Show the relationship between weight and size. Inform the students that they will be learning about weight. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Tell them that we compare heavy and light objects by comparing their weights. 2. To introduce the concept of heavy and light, build a balancing scale with a hanger. 3. Materials required are plastic hanger, 2 paper or plastic cups, string or yarn, and a hole punch. At the top of each cup, punch 2 holes on the opposite sides and string the yarn through. 4. Hang the cups on the hanger and place different items in the cup to see which one is heavier. 5. Place a small wooden block onto one side of the scale and a cracker on the other side. Using the prepared chart paper, list the 2 materials children are comparing. 7. Ask them to predict how many crackers they will need to add to make the cracker side heavier than the block side. 8. Invite the children to take turn placing a cracker onto the scale until the cup with the block rises higher than the one with the crackers. Play a game following these steps. 1. Display on the table different objects. 2. Make sure that you have a good variety of objects. 3. You should have small things that are heavy. 4. It is important to make sure that children do not confuse big and small with heavy and light. 5. Ask them to guess which is heavier than the other. 6. Invite them to take turn placing onto the scale and comparing 2 objects, ensuring that they compare with weight. For example, the rock is heavy and has more weight than the leaf. Ask them to open their textbooks and identify objects as to their weight. Reinforcement worksheet for the concept of heavy and light can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.